Hi, I am Melania. You are watching Golden News Channel. Today, the 19th of August 2020. Now headlines. KABUL Two members of the President's Guard of Honor were killed in a rocket attack on the Afghan presidential palace. Military coup in the African country of Mali announced the resignation of the arrested president. U.S. First Lady Melania shook Trump's hand again. Elon Musk became the fourth richest man in the world. In which country is the warmest region on the planet? Now details of headlines. You are watching Golden News Channel. Please share this video and subscribe our channel. KABUL Two members of the President's Guard of Honor were killed in a rocket attack on the Afghan presidential palace. Kabul. Rocket attacks near the Afghan presidential palace have killed 3 people, including 2 government officials, and injured several others. Rocket attacks from a car near the Afghan presidential palace killed 3 people, including 2 government employees, and injured 16, according to AFP. According to AFP, 14 rockets were fired from a car near the Afghan presidential palace, one of which a missile landed in the presidential palace compound, injuring 6 guards of honor, while other wounded included women and children. Also included. An Afghan Interior Ministry spokesman confirmed the deaths of 2 government officials, but did not provide any information about the Guard of Honor personnel. Military coup in the African country of Mali announced the resignation of the arrested president. A military coup in the African country of Mali has led to the arrest of President Ibrahim Abu Bakr Keita and cabinet members. After months of protests against corruption and the worst security situation in Mali, the military finally intervened and overthrew the government. Within hours of his capture by the army, Mali's president, Ibrahim Abu Bakr Keita, announced his resignation and dissolved the government. In his message from the military base, the resigned President Ibrahim Abu Bakr Keita said that if some elements of our army want to intervene, do I have any option left? I do not want bloodshed in the country for my power, so from office I announce my resignation. The European Union and the African Union have condemned the military coup in Mali, while the United Nations has demanded the immediate release of arrested leaders and cabinet members, including Mali's president. An emergency meeting of the Security Council will be held today to consider the financial situation. U.S. First Lady Melania shook Trump's hand again. The video of Melania and Trump is going viral on social media, in which it can be seen that Trump tried to hold his wife's hand twice while getting off the plane at the military base in New Jersey, but Melania did not let him hold her hand. After 2 attempts, Melania held the bag in her hand and ignored the U.S. president. The 14-year-old son of U.S. President Trump and Melania was also present at the time, while the video of the incident has been viewed by millions of people on social media. This is not the first time Melania has ignored her husband Trump. Earlier, a video of Melania shaking Trump's hand during her visit to Israel came to light. Elon Musk became the 4th richest man in the world. Shares of Tesla rose 11% yesterday, adding $7.8 billion to Elon Musk's fortune, making him the world's 4th richest man. According to the report, this is the 2nd biggest increase in this year's index, which has made Tesla founder Elon Musk the 4th richest person in the world. As a result of the rise in shares, Elon Musk's assets have reached $57 billion this year, while his total wealth has reached $83.6 billion. Before Elon Musk, Warren Buffett was the 4th richest person in the world this year with $67.5 billion. Amazon founder Jeff Bezos tops the list of the world's richest people with $3,113 billion in assets. In which country is the warmest region on the planet? Death Valley in the U.S. state of California recorded a temperature of 130 Fahrenheit 54.4 degrees Celsius on Sunday. Death Valley in Southern California is the hottest and driest area in the world with extreme heat. Death Valley recorded 130 degrees Fahrenheit 54.4 degrees Celsius on Sunday, the hottest day in the United States since 1913. Thanks for watching Golden News Channel. Please subscribe our channel and share this video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.